Comrade, today is a sad day, especially in the sub-region of Ndwedwe. Comrades, we lost a man, we lost a friend, we lost a comrade, we lost a cadre, real cadre, a loyal one in the MK. Comrade, today I'm presenting a person who made Ndwedwe contributed with development. Ngobese Phumlani Henry Ngobese obaziwa kakhulu ngelika B futhi ekuyena obe lekelela abantu kakhulu ngeTLB ukuvulisa zabantu. Bafowethu ezindaba ezibhlungu kakhulu ukuthi udlule ngeaccident. Now umphakathi waseNdwedwe ama-comrade omkhonto wesizwe umphakathi wonke owaziyo nongaphandle eNdwedwe namhlanje sigubazelwe ilelifu njengama-comrade omkhonto kwi-sub-region yaseNdwedwe. Now ke lo mfana, the reason why kuyimi engikhulumayo, I groom this boy, especially in the politics. 2021 kuma-local government elections, we chose to have inhlangano ebizwa nge-African Freedom Revolution, i-AFR, okuyiyona eyaletha iseat eyodwa eNdwedwe, le ebekade eyikhansela layo emkhandlwini waseNdwedwe. Bafowethu sibuhlungu kakhulu. Ake ngikhulume ke mhlambe ngama preparations. Kusasa Wednesday wonke ama-comrade omkhonto wesizwe siyawacela eNdwedwe kwi-memorial service ezoqala ngo-11. Siyacela ukuthi niphelele nonke ma-comrade bese kuthi ngoLwesihlanu uyalandwa umzimba wakhe kwaCebo Lethu. Sicela wonke ama-comrade ahlangane emahlabathini la siyomhlangabeza khona ngeyimoto nangayo yonke into esiyobe sinayo. Bese kuthi amanye ahlanganele kaMkhabela lawa mhlamba angenayo i-transport, amanye eVerulam, kodwa kube khona i-communication ezoba khona ezoba clear ukuthi siya kanjani. Siyacela ke ama-comrade ngabe nationally or around KZN, ngabe KZN leadership, ngabe ama-regions angakhona ukuthi abe khona kulo mncwabo abe khona. Lo mncwabo, it's very important to us as a sub-region yaseNdwedwe, as uBishop Ngcobo. This man is very close in my heart. Even the friends, people who can have yabo into ethi ake sambe nathi siyokhala, you are welcome to come. Indwedwe yenze kahle kakhulu ku-national ngesikhathi siya kuma-elections. Out of 19 wards sithathe almost 15 to 16 wards eNdwedwe. So now kusho ukuthi abantu baseNdwedwe trusted i-organization yethu umkhonto wesizwe. Siyacela ukuthi nonke nibe khona. Siyacela ukuthi nonke nibe khona. Abangathanda futhi ukunikela, they are free ukuthi baye onikela emndenini. Abathanda ukuletha amagama futhi okuzwelana nomndeni bangakwazi ukuthi babe khona, bawahambise emndenini. Kwi-screen sizoveza yonke into ethintana nomndeni. Ikhaya likakhansela uPhumlani Henry Ngobese liseyindlovini. Uma usuka eVerulam uhamba ngepublic uthi uzokwehla ezindlovini primary school, ilapho khona ekuzoba khona i-night vigil, bese kuthi umngcwabo ube sesebenzile ngomgqibelo, uzoba sesebenzile high school umgqibelo wona lo esikuwo. So siyacela ukuthi nonke ma comrade, nonke zihlobo, nonke emphakathi waseNdwedwe nize ukuzongcwaba uPhumlani Henry Ngobese uB. Siyabonga.